Today we are going to learn conversion method. What is conversion method? In conversion method, they will ask us to prepare trading profit and loss account and balance sheet. For the preparation of trading profit and loss account balance sheet, some information may not be given that we have to ascertain. Now I am going to teach you about conversion method. Yes. In conversion method, they will ask us to prepare trading and profit and loss account and balance sheet. They will ask us to prepare trading profit loss account and balance sheet. But if you want to prepare trading profit and loss account, we need some information. But in this problem, they may not give some information. The first information hidden is opening capital. First information hidden is opening capital. Opening capital we can ascertain by preparing opening statement of affair. Opening statement of affairs. By preparing opening statement of affair, we can ascertain opening capital. Second one, the missing information is credit sales. Second missing information is credit sale. By preparing total debtor account, we can ascertain credit sales. For the preparation of total debtor account, we need bills receivable received. That we can ascertain with the help of total bills receivable account. Fourth one, the missing item is credit purchase. By preparing total creditor account, we can ascertain credit purchase. If we want to prepare creditor account, we need one item called bills payable accepted. We need one more item called bills payable accepted. We can ascertain bills payable accepted with the help of total bills payable account. Students, once again, if we want to prepare trading profit loss account balance sheet, we need some information, but in single entry some informations may not be given, such as opening capital not given. With the help of opening statement of affair, we can find opening capital. Then we need to find credit sale because it may not be given. With the help of total debtor account, we can ascertain credit sales. If we want to prepare total debtor account, we need bills receivable. For that we have to prepare total bills receivable account. Then credit purchase may not be given. With the help of total creditor account, we can find a credit purchase. For the preparation of creditor account, we need bills payable accepted, so we have to prepare total bills payable account. So these informations may not be given. After finding these information, then only we can prepare trading profit loss account and balance sheet. Now today I am going to teach you about the preparation of total debtor and total bills receivable. Listen carefully. Total debtor and total bills receivable. Listen carefully. Today I am going to teach you. First I am going to teach you preparation of total debtor account. Preparation of total debtor account. Total debtors account. Total debtors account. Listen carefully. We are going to prepare total debtor account. Total debtor account is a ledger. With the help of total debtor account, we can ascertain credit sales. The format of total debtor account I am going to present you. The opening balance of debtor. Debit side starts with the opening balance of debtor. It ends with the closing balance of debtor. Closing balance of debtor. So total debtor account, debit side starts with the opening balance of debtor. It ends in the credit side with the by balance sheet, that is called closing debtor. Then debit side we have to write credit sales. Then credit side, cash received from debtor by check received from debtor, sales returns from the debtor by discount allowed to debtor, cash received from debtor, check received from debtor, sales return from the debtor, discount allowed to the debtor, then by bills receivable received. By bills receivable received. If bills receivable is dishonored, it will be debited. This is very important, student. When we receive bills receivable, it will be credited in the debtor account. If bills receivable is dishonored, it will be debited. Normally, the credit side total heavier than debit side total. The balancing figure is the credit sales. Students, total debtor account, debit side starts with the opening debtor, credit side it ends with the closing debtor. Then credit sale, cash received from debtor, check received from debtor, sales return, discount allowed to debtor, BR received credited to the total debtor account, BR dishonored debited to the total debtor account. Next, I am going to teach you preparation of the preparation of total bills receivable account. Total bills receivable account. Total bills receivable account. The opening balance of bills receivable recorded in the debit side of bills receivable account. It ends with the closing balance of bills receivable in the credit side. Then cash received on bills receivable. Opening balance of bills receivable, closing balance of bills receivable, cash received on bills receivable. Next, very important, the BR dishonored debited in the debtor account, the same item credited in the BR account as debtor. This is called BR dishonored. This is called BR dishonored. So BR dishonored debited in the debtor account with BR. In BR account it will be credited as debtor. Likewise, BR received credited in the debtor account, in bills receivable account it should be debited. This is BR received. Normally in bills receivable, in total bills receivable, credit side is heavier than debit side. Credit side is heavier than debit side. The balancing figure is BR received. Listen, students, total debtor account, total BR account. In total debtor account, debit side starts with opening debtor, credit side it ends with the closing debtor. Then cash received, check received, sales return, discount allowed, BR received. Debit side, credit sale and BR dishonored. Then two item it will be recorded in debtor account as well as in BR account, that is BR received. BR received in debtor account credited, in BR account debited. In debtor we should write bills receivable, in BR we should write debtor account. Likewise, BR dishonored. Debit side, in debtor account debit side we should write as BR dishonored. In credit total bills receivable account credit side we should write total by debtor. Yes, now I am going to solve problem. Listen carefully. Sum number 1. Find out credit sales. Find out credit sales. Student, listen carefully. If you want to find credit sale, we have to prepare total debtor account. So we have to prepare total debtor account. Total debtors account I am going to prepare. Opening balance of debtor, to balance BD. To balance BD, how much? 40,000. Then cash received from debtor, value 1 lakh. This is debit side, this is credit side. Then discount allowed, by discount allowed 5,000. Then sales return, by sales return value 2,000. Then closing debtor, by balance CD 60,000. They are asking us to find credit sale. If they ask credit sale, definitely in total debtor account credit side is heavier than debit side. So definitely credit side value heavier than the debit side, because the credit sale lies in the debit side. So the balancing figure is the credit sales. Here 1,65,67,000 minus 40 equal to 1,27 is the credit sales. Once again, students, they are asking us to find credit sale. If you want to find credit sale, we have to prepare total debtor account. Opening debtor, debit side. Cash received, credit side. Discount allowed, credit side. Sales return, credit side. Closing debtor, credit side. They are asking credit sales. Definitely the credit side balance total value heavier than the debit side. So first you should total the credit side value, bring it to the debit side, find the balancing where, that is called what? Credit sales. Then second question. What they are asking? Total sales. In second question, they are asking total sales. For total sales, the formula is cash sales plus credit sales. Cash sales plus credit sales equal to total sales. If they ask total sales, definitely in the question cash sales are given. Here cash sales are given. How much? 1,40,000. What we supposed to do? We have to find this credit sale. Now I am going to find the credit sales with the help of total debtor account. With the help of total debtor account. As usual, this is debit side, this is credit side. Opening debtor appears in the debtor account, debit side. How much? 50,000. Cash received, it will be in the credit side, cash received. How much? 1,50,000 rupees. Next, return inward, that we called sales return. Return inward is nothing but what? Sales return. How much? It is 15,000. Next, bad debts. Bad debts will be credited in the debtor account. By bad debts, 5,000. Then closing debtor, by balance CD, the value how much? 70,000. Cash sales will not be recorded in the total debtor account. The cash sales we will use only for finding total sales. Now I am going to balance the debtor account. Here we are going to find the credit sales. Here we are going to find the credit sales. So definitely credit side total heavier than debit side total. Now we are going to add 170, 2,40. 1,70,000, 2,40,000. So 2,40,000 minus 50 equal to 1,90,000. This is called credit sales. Now already we know cash sales. Now we ascertained credit sales. Our total sales is 3,30,000. Students, now we will prepare total bills receivable account. Yes, look, sum number 3. From the following particulars, prepare bills receivable account. They are asking us to prepare bills receivable account. Find BR received. Find BR received. So we are going to prepare bills receivable account. We are going to find BR received account. Yes. So we have to prepare total bills receivable account. Total bills receivable account. This is debit side. This is credit side. First item is opening bills receivable. It will be in the debit side. We should write to balance BD. Opening balance of BR, how much? 20,000. Next, closing balance of BR. Closing balance of BR, 30,000. Next, cash received on BR. By cash received. By cash received on BR, how much? 60,000. Next, BR dishonored. BR dishonored. It will be in the credit side. We should write as by debtor. By debtor. How much? 5,000. They are asking BR received. They are asking BR received. If they ask BR received, definitely the BR total BR account credit side total heavier than debit side total. So if they ask total, if they ask BR received, the credit side total heavier than the debit side total. Now we'll add this 95,000, bring it to the debit side. 95 minus 20 equal to 75,000. This we called to debtor, balancing figure. This is BR received. This is called BR received. We should not write here as BR received. Students, today in this class, we learned total debtor account and total BR account separately. In next class, we will solve total debtor account and total BR account together. Till then, bye and thank you.